This craft is created by using minimal things and it's beginner friendly. To make this craft, you need a empty bottle. To make this craft, I am using decoupage method. In decoupage method, we use the paper napkin and mod podge. Here I have gave the base coat as a green color, and you can use any color of your choice. I am moving to the next part. Here I am removing the bottom part of the paper napkin and measuring the size of the napkin to the bottle, so I can cut it the required size of the napkin to stick it on the bottle. If you are watching my video and you have watched my previous video, there is already one video where I used mod podge and paper napkin to decorate the bottle. If you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel and hit the notification button to get the update about new videos, and that way you can support my channel. And here I have stick the napkin to the bottle, and again I am giving the one more coat of mod podge to protect the or to seal the napkin, and I'm adding fine details to the bottle. Here you can use other things also. I have this rhinestone, so I'm using these for the neck of the bottle. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.